southwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland, southwestern Charles County in southern Maryland, King George County in central Virginia, until midnight. At 11:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over King George, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Lexington Park, King George, Leonardtown, Dahlgren, Piney Point, Tall Timbers, Fairview Beach, St. Inigo's Creek, Nanjemoy Creek, St. Mary's City, Oaks Creek, Town Creek, Wicomico River, St. Mary's River, Cuckold Creek, St. George Island, St. Clements Bay, Port Tobacco River, White Point Beach in California. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.